efficient utilization, environmental protection, safety and stability, less aluminum slag, long service life, accurate temperature control, simple maintenance.
With the rise of manufacturing industries in Southeast Asia and South Asia, many well-known local electrical appliances brands have begun to produce ceiling fans in their own countries to replace ceiling fans that are directly imported from China. In order to meet the needs of customers, Greenvinci has assisted many local famous brands in India, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, and other countries to achieve the production of ceiling fans in their own factories. Greenvinci, with 15 years of experience in the development and production of ceiling fans, is a ceiling fan production line expert. Greenvinci was founded in 2006, and the headquarters is in Foshan, one of the most developed manufacturing areas in the country. We have 2 manufacturing bases in Foshan and Zhanjiang, in which the well-known electrical industry centers in China, with a total area of 5,000 square meters, more than 100 employees with superior R&D, production, and sales teams. In order to meet the needs of the international economic situation and the development of national industrial policies, apart from the production line of ceiling fan, Greenvinci has begun to increase research and development, and has made breakthroughs in equipment for the rice cooker industry, metal smelting, production of aluminum ingots equipment, and equipment for the die casting industry. The sexual results have been praised and recognized by customers. So far, Greenvinci has provided production line and assembly services to more than 2,000 users in more than 30 countries around the world, partners in more than 30 regions around the world. At the same time, a number of distribution points have been set up to serve surrounding customers more efficiently. In the future, Greenvinci will continue to increase investment in R&D and technological innovation, and continue to provide solutions to maximize the benefits of users. All our products have passed 3C, CE, CB, RoHS, and ETL certifications, and are exported to Europe, Southeast Asia, Australia, Africa, the United States. We always believe that innovation is the foundation of enterprise development. Therefore, we will always devote ourselves to the research and production of more utility models for household and commercial electrical appliances, so as to bring more innovative lives to consumers around the world.